today we're going to have a look at a few different angle facts and see how we can use them in order to find missing angles. So the first one we're going to have a look at, angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so there's a few different sort of scenarios we can have a look at here, all of them involving a straight line. So let's start off with the nice simple one. We've got a straight line, we've got a point. So this angle about this point, so on a single straight line, is going to be 180 degrees. If we do the same thing, but rather than just having one angle, we're going to split it into two different ones with another line. If this is 60 degrees, then we can work out that this larger angle has got to be 120 degrees, because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, but we're not limited just to two angles. We could also, again we've got a point, have three angles. So let's say that we've got 100 degrees and we've got 35 degrees. Then we could work out that the last one has got to be 45 degrees, so that they all add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Now there's one last, I suppose, non-example here. That here we've got two lines coming off our straight line, but you'll notice that they're not at a singular point. So on the first one we had at a singular point, the second one we were at a singular point, third one again we were at a singular point. This one we've got two different points, so we need to treat each one of them separately. So the first one, let's say that's 80, then this will be 100. And if this is 70, then this is going to be 110. So we've got two different points, so we've got two lots of 180 there. Okay. Right, let's go through an example. Okay, so this is a pretty standard question with angles on a straight line. Find the value of the angle x and give a reason for your answer. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we know we've got a single point there. So angles are going to add up to 180. So x is going to be 180 minus 36, which is 144 degrees. Okay, so we would then write out that x is 144 degrees. That line above is just our working, because, and this is where we give our reason, and you don't have to come up with some mad explanation, you just write down the statement that you've used, the angle rule. So because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. There's nothing complicated here, you just write down which angle fact you've used as your reason. Okay, now it's your turn. So here is a straight line, got an angle of 45 degrees and an angle of x. You have to find the value of x and give a reason. Pause the video here, have a go, and then come back. Okay, let's have a quick look at this one. Red. So we're going to work out the value of x. Remember, on a single point, so we've done 180 degrees minus 45, which gives us 135 degrees. So we now write our statement 135 degrees, because angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. And that's it. Really simple. Make sure whenever you're dealing with angles on a straight line, you write down the reason. Thank you for watching.